We are explore how to create subtle highlight tinting. How to create subtle highlight tinting. Open Photoshop and import your image, then add a curves adjustment to slightly raise highlight values so bright areas become more responsive to color styling. Insert a color balance layer and gently move highlight sliders toward a chosen tint, such as warm gold or soft pink, keeping adjustments minimal so the effect stays refined. Next, create a new blank layer set to color blending mode and paint lightly over bright regions with a low opacity brush to enhance tint precision without affecting shadows.